Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create Instagram business account. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account. Then on the top right side here, click on these three lines. Now scroll down, and here you can find the option, Account Type and Tools. Tap on it. Then tap on the first option, Switch to Professional Account. Next, you need to tap on the Continue button about 3 to 4 times, and here we are. Now here, search for your business and then tap on it. If you want to display your business on your profile, then turn this button on, and then tap on Done. Next, select Business here, and then tap on Next. Tap on Next. Now here, fill up your business information, like you can add your email, phone number, and address. Or you can also turn on audio calling on Instagram. Now, if you turn this button on, then everyone can see this information on your profile and contact you with this information. And then tap on Next. You can also connect your Facebook page here. I will skip it. Now, as you can see, to set up your business account, first you need to complete these 7 steps. So complete all these steps. Once you have done all, then you can successfully create your business account. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.